Now we need to set up a page for users to choose whether or not they want to subscribe for a premium position. So jump into your views and go to def subscribe. That's what we're going to call it. And then it's going to take in a request. If you notice below is actually a pretty good example of what we want to do. If they're authenticated, we want to show something. Otherwise, we're probably going to want to show something else. So it's going to have to kind of redirect them to doing something else. But make sure your user's authenticated before you go to this page, and that will solve everything. So if we just change profiles to subscribe, and then let's go ahead and delete this. So let's think about what's going to go on here. First off, we're going to see whether or not what subscription they want. So subscription choice, and then we will assign that choice after successful payment. Right? So the user's gonna grab their choice, and then we're gonna assign that choice after successful payment, and voila, that's pretty much it. So we'll collect credit cards here too. Okay, so now that we have that as a roadmap, let's add this subscribe as a URL. So go and open up URLs. You can go ahead and just copy this one, the edit profile URL, not the other ones. And we're going to profiles.views. We'll change this to subscribe. And let's just copy that, place it there as well as there. All right, cool. So now if we navigate, we need to make our template. So let's go in here to profiles, new file, subscribe. Extends base.html. Block content. And end block. Okay, so refresh. Now it's blank. Cool. So let's make our first row here. We'll do div class equals column. We'll do small 12. So basically everything small and up, it's going to have that column of 12, which is pretty cool. And then we'll do a div class column small and 3. All right, so we're going to do a few of these, but let's just think about plans for a second. We'll do forever free. Then we'll add, some feature. This could actually be an unordered list, so UL, UL, and then we'll do list item, some feature, so we'll list off some features is the point. And then after that, we'll have a button, and it's going to go somewhere. And let's just say submit for now. And since we're gonna have 4 of them because we did 3, so we're gonna copy that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Save it. Go back over here. Do a refresh. So now we have that going. So maybe we should have a row above this, and above this, and go div class column small 12 as well. H1 subscribe. And cool. So now we have our subscriptions, and then maybe we want to do a little styling here, and then do text align center, just so they're lined up in the center like that. Maybe we'll want to clean this up a little bit later, but for now, this is okay. So let's just change the titles of these to, let's say, premium, sign up for 1 month, and then maybe premium plus, sign up for 6 months, And finally, let's call it Premium Pro. Sign up for a whopping 12 months. Okay, so of course I made a few extra plans in Stripe, so you can go ahead and do that. I just added some arbitrary numbers just so it's there. And then I did premium 6 months, premium 12 months, so that's what I've done. There is no trial for some of these. The premium one has a 7-day trial. So go ahead and add some plans on your own. For purposes of this, we're doing 4 different plans. The Forever Free is the one that we've already basically created. Premium is the one that we will basically be assigning. Any premium would be this user role as premium. Staff again was for our staff, so for our website staff, and regular is for everyone else. So that's like your Forever Free. And subscribe could basically eventually be change subscription if they have one. It could be downgrade to Forever Free or downgrade to premium. Of course, it doesn't make sense to downgrade to premium in this case because those are basically the same accounts. But if you had multiple accounts and you wanted to change it up here on your user roles, have like 10 different user roles of what they could do, and you want to code every little thing, you could do that and change how these work and then kind of allow them to jump and where these features will actually be different. But in our case, we're basically just giving them a cheaper rate if they sign up longer. That's pretty much how it goes. But if they want to downgrade, it will change once they are done with their 12-month subscription. Cool. So now that we have this, we want to grab their credit card information after they select one of these, and then we are just going to basically confirm it. And once it's confirmed, then we are going to set the user role in our view here. So we will do that in the next one.